LifeWave X₂O filter maintenance. Remove and empty the reservoir. Place container under dispensing outlet. Go to Settings and System Drain. Turn system off when draining is complete. Open filter compartment, unscrew lid, remove filter media, and discard. Insert new filter media. Screw on lid tightly. Place drain hose into sink. Turn primary valve to flush and power on. Add clean water, refill as needed. Go to Settings, Flush Filter, and Flush Primary. Return valve to normal. Tap Confirm. Turn and remove filter core and discard the old filter. Now screw in the filter, slide core back into place, place drain hose into sink. Turn the secondary valve to flush and power on. Add clean water and refill as needed. Go to Settings, Flush Filter, Flush Secondary. Turn valve to normal, store hose, close cover, tap Confirm.